Hello! Today we're going to make some hibiscus tea, also known as Agua de Jamaica or sour tea. This is a quick and easy version. There are many ways to make it. This is just one. You'll need some dried hibiscus flowers and a pot of water. Just add the hibiscus to the water and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, you can reduce the heat to low. You've reduced the heat to low. Now it is simmering. Cover and you can set the timer for minimum of 10 minutes. You can turn the heat off, and it's up to you at this point if you want it to steep longer, or you can just go ahead and extract the concentrate. With a strainer, just pour out the contents. Ideally, you'll want to pour out all the contents, but my strainer was a little small. This is the concentrate. At this point, you can add water. Obviously, the more water you add, the less tart it will be. And you can choose the sweetener of your choice. People typically use white sugar. The amount varies depending on your taste. Add the tea to your container. Here I am just adding a little water to make it less tart. And your hibiscus tea is ready. Great served with ice. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos. Bye.